Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to another video. I'm just here to walk you around my new truck that I just got, so hope you guys enjoy. Here she is, everyone. Welcome to my 2013 F-150. I would have loved to build this truck, but never could have found the time or the money to build this, and I'm just going to walk you through everything it has. This is my dream build F-150. I don't know if I ever talked about it on my old videos, but we're going to get into talking about it, everything it has and all. Alright everyone, we're going to get into the suspension first. It has a Baja Kits, the racing kit I believe it is. I'm sorry for the wind noise, guys. I'm literally in the middle of the desert here at like a random dry lake bed. But up front, we got the King 3.0 coilovers with 2.5 bypasses. In the rear, we have, I don't know if I can get here. So we have Deaver leaf springs, the +3, I believe they are, and the King bypass as well that's mounted to the roll cage here. And actually, I believe the front, I think the guy told me it was 16 inches of travel, and the rear, I believe, is 22, 20 maybe. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, that's pretty much it for suspension. So moving on to the fiberglass, it's got a full Fiberworks front clip that retains the stock factory headlights and the factory grille. Let's move on to the rear. I opened my door. The rear bed sides are also the Fiberworks. Let me step back so you guys can see. They're also the Fiberworks bed sides. Honestly, this truck is in really good condition. Let me show you guys the cage here, actually. This cage is like super intricate and like super custom built, pretty much. The gaps on these bed sides are pretty horrible, but what can you do? It's fiberglass. So let's move into the wheels and tires. We got some Method off-roads, which are pretty sick wheels, if I don't say so myself. Running BFGs. They're 37, 12.5, 17s all around. What else? Front, I'm not sure what Prerunner bumper this is. I don't know if it's a custom made one that the guy had made or if it's just like a bolt-on kit. Honestly, I have no clue. It has the same thing in the rear. I'll show you guys. And the wind noise is horrible, but it's pretty much got same sort of setup in the rear. I don't want to show you guys my license plate, but yeah, I got a full-size spare. It came with 6 tires, which is ridiculous, but hey. It's also got the spare tire mount into the bottom of the bed instead of like with a cage built for it like you normally see. And what else we got for the interior? I'm pretty sure that's it for the interior. Let's move on to the interior now. The exterior, sorry about that. Can't speak today. Let's move on to the interior. So, moving on to the interior, we got PRP racing seats here. These things are actually really comfortable. I've been daily driving this thing ever since I bought it, and this is like super comfortable. We got a full intercom system here. This is a mess, which I'm gonna have to redo, but in here we got a full intercom system by Rugged Radios, I believe it is. I haven't actually tested the intercom system, but hopefully it works. You know, we got all our light bars and all. I think we have a Baja Designs light bar in the front and some sort of cheap one in the back, I believe. So pretty much this interior is factory. Mainly the guy wanted to keep it like luxury Prerunner, which is what I've always wanted to build. So it's got factory dash, factory steering wheel. The factory navigation and all still works. That's the one thing I gotta get used to, is a weird like center console shifter, but hey. So yeah, pretty much everything in here is factory. The whole rear seats and all. Damn. Oh well. The whole rear seats are pretty much the factory rear seats. You just took out the seat belts. This whole cage, well, let me see if I could show you guys this. This is welded, so like these welds are like super clean, and the cage is like really tucked in there, so stepping into the rear really isn't too bad, you know. Got our harness mounts here. Let Let me see if I can show you guys the cage more. That weird rear view mirror is like the worst thing ever. You can't see anything out of it, but you know. Oh well, who needs to see out their mirror anyway? But yeah, as you can see, this cage is like super tucked, which is really nice. Honestly, it's barely even noticeable. Except that. But you know, that's honestly pretty much it for the interior. Still has the factory 12 volt and USBs and all. And yeah, let's see. That's pretty much it for the interior. I don't know why my radio is doing that. If anyone knows, you know, please feel free to leave me a comment down below. Tell me my truck's about to blow up, and you know, whatever. So engine wise, this truck is pretty stock. All it has is a cold air intake and like an off-the-shelf tuner. Doesn't really have any tunes on it or anything. It's got 5% all around, 5% limo tint. Oh yeah, up here you can see the cage just needs some work, but I'll get that repainted eventually. It has this factory everything. It has a cool antenna, a rugged radios antenna. Yeah, that's honestly pretty much it for the truck. All right, that's the most annoying thing, but we moved on to the inside here. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for the truck. I think I went through everything. If I missed something, I'll probably just drop it in the description or anything. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. And yeah, there's just a little walk around of my dream truck that I finally bought. So yeah, take care, guys. Have a good one.